Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card into your Apple ID balance. This is mandatory. Once redeemed, check the exact dollar amount so you know what you can spend. Next, use an iPhone or iPad because only Apple devices let you spend that balance in apps and on Apple Pay. So open the device now and verify your balance in Settings or the App Store before moving on. Once your Apple balance is ready, search for a trustworthy digital reseller that sells Xbox or Microsoft gift codes and accepts Apple Pay or in-app Apple balance. Make sure the listing shows the exact dollar denomination you need. Then complete the purchase on your Apple device. Use Apple Pay or the app's in-app purchase flow so the Apple ID balance is applied. This converts your Apple funds into an Xbox code you can redeem later. Finally, go to your Microsoft account or Xbox console and redeem the purchased code. This adds funds to your Microsoft balance or purchases Game Pass/subscriptions. If the code does not work, first double-check the code, region restrictions, and that you copied it correctly. If problems persist, contact the reseller with your receipt and screenshots. Make sure to request a refund or replacement. This is the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.